Hi, good morning, Bindu. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you doing?
I'm fine, fine. So you're in hostel or you're in your native place right now?
I'm in home, sir.
Okay. In which city you are living?
Sir, I'm in Rourkela.
Yeah, sir. Okay. Now tell me, what are you doing these days? Apart from
Sir, current,
apart from the daily things which like you are doing, like for your career, for your future, for your education, what all the things you are doing like these days?
yes, sir. Currently, actually, our intensive started, so that is going on.
Hmm.
And apart from that, we're just enhancing like our knowledge and like the hobbies we're developing, like cooking and reading some articles. So that's what it's
Okay.
like
So like
keeping ourselves and
uh,
positive.
tell me one thing. Like after your this course will get over, immediately you want to like go for a job. Take any name.
Sir, what?
Take any name
Sir,
of the cities.
it's not particular that this city, but wherever the chances and opportunity I'll get, I'll be
Hmm.
going there. And basically, sir, after this COVID, domestic will boost up,
Hmm.
I think. So I'll be working in, I don't know, wherever the opportunity I'll get, I'll be going there.
Okay. So as per you, the domestic market will boost up. Okay.
Yes, sir, I think so.
Okay. So what is the domestic tourism?
So domestic, like now also the prime minister he also gave that be vocal for local. So like
Hmm.
the unexplored places in India and some places are some people are quite less known about those places, and that is rich culture heritage and that is must visit places. So I think that those places will be highlighted and people will be traveling to those places.
Okay. Now tell me, maybe after 2 months, 3 months, if everything will be normal, the domestic market
Yes, sir.
will boost up. People will start going, and you will get a job. Okay. So in the organization you will join. Now, what I had told in my earlier sessions that we have to give lots of
Yes,
training
sir.
to our these new employees that about lots of we have to give lots of trainings because apart from your education about the field, about the market, about the destinations. Okay, so anybody wants
Yes,
to
sir.
go to the hills, for example. Okay, one inquiry will
Yes,
come
sir.
to you that I want to go to the hills. So which place you will send to them? What are the options you have?
Sir, option first I will see their priorities
Mhm.
like what kind of places they want to go or the trekkings like the weather condition and their according to their priorities because there are many hill stations there they can go.
Mhm.
So I will see the priorities first, then I'll shortlist some places, then I will
Mhm.
inform them, and after that if they're willing to go to that places, then we'll finalize and see for the other filters.
Mhm. So, for example, I want to go. I have a kid of like 6 years and my wife. Okay, I want to go to a hill station. For example, you came to know that I am from Delhi. So, the nearest hill stations are like Shimla, Manali, Nainital, Kurpatal, Bhimtal, Masuri, Kufri. So, these are the places. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, you had given me these names. So, I will tell you, okay, Bindu, I want to travel to Manali.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
so Manali, I want to go. Do you know
Okay.
the five hotels of Manali? The name.
No, sir, I don't have idea about the hotels.
Okay. For example, which places you have visited? Any of the hills with your families, with your friends, anywhere? Not on the
Uh,
hills,
sir,
any
I,
cities.
sir, in Kerala, I have been to Wayanad. That is also a hill station. In
Mhm.
that, in Wayanad, we get many homestays, and many Oyo hotels are also there.
Look, these are loose balls you are throwing at me. Many homestays, many Oyo hotels. Okay, a educated
Okay,
person
sir.
like a software engineer or a person who is selling a car or from any market, he can open to the Google and he can find these places. So what is the benefit that you are doing a tourism course? Look, what I will tell you, don't be demotivated. Okay,
Yes, sir.
why I am saying, because in this period you people can do lots of things to improve yourself. Okay.
Okay, sir.
For your exam, you do whatever your sirs and ma'ams are saying. But to improve yourself, select a place. For example, Calcutta is very close to Raurkela, right? Not very close,
Yes,
but
sir.
at least close. Can you tell me the name of like few hotels of Calcutta?
Sorry, sir, I don't have any idea about
Uh-huh.
hotels.
So these are the things where you have to work out.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So this is not you, like everybody. Select a place like Delhi. Delhi is the capital hub. Okay. Most of the tourists, inbound tourists, forget about domestic. Domestic, I will tell you about domestic. Like Mr. Modi, if he is saying local for vocal or domestic tourist, remind me that point. I will tell you. He is not that right. He is not that right. Maybe he has some other views. We have some other views. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And for example, Mrs. Nirmala Sitaraman, he is our finance minister, right? He
Yes, sir.
haven't did anything on finance. So whatever papers is came to him, like the finance big, like people who did like courses from different institutions, they're working from like 20 years, 30 years in the finance sector. They are making the papers and they are giving it to the ma'am, and ma'am is telling. Okay.
Sir.
So, for example, Delhi is the place. Write in a white paper, Delhi. Start writing 5-star hotel, 4-star hotel, 3-star hotel. Write three names of 5-star hotel, three names of 4-star hotel, three names of 3-star hotel. You will
Yes, sir.
come to know. In Delhi, there is Taj Hotel, there is the Oberoi, there is Claridge's, there is Meridian, and same like 4-star and 3-star.
Yes, sir.
And don't say Taj Hotel, because Taj is a brand, and in all the cities they have the hotels with different names. Like in Delhi, it is Taj Palace, and there is another Taj Hotel. Name is Taj Mansingh. And if you will go to Agra, the name of the Taj Hotel is Taj View. But if you will tell any educated person, because Taj in most of the cities, Taj has their hotel. If you will say Taj, so the people who is sitting in front of you will laugh. अरे इतने बड़े cities में तो Taj तो होगा ही. So be exact with the name of the hotel. So this is one
Okay.
thing, and do it for like all the major cities: Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad. When you finish that, do it with the hill station, Manali, Shimla. So this thing, because when you are coming for an intern, or if anybody is giving you a job, being an entrepreneur, हमें शुरू के 6 महीने इस चीज में इन्वेस्ट करना होता है, and that's the reason the salaries are low. You
Okay,
understand?
sir.
हम आपको
Yes,
6
sir.
महीना पढ़ा रहे हैं और सैलरीज भी दे रहे हैं, एंड यू आर नॉट बेनिफिटेड. अगर ये सब चीजें आप लोगों को पहले से पता होगी, तो आप लोगों की सैलरी 12,000 से स्टार्ट नहीं होगी. दैट कैन बी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 20,000 बिकॉज यू ऑलरेडी हैव द नॉलेज. If anybody
Yes,
will
sir.
come to you, Miss Bindu, I want to go to, like for example, Calcutta. So you can say, sir, you want to stay in Taj Bengal, the Oberoi, or you want to stay in the Peerless. So आप एक स्टेप ऊपर उठ जाते हो. ये तो
Okay,
फिर भी
sir.
होटल का नाम इज ए वेरी इनिशियल पार्ट. इसके अंदर अगर आप घुसोगे, आप फॉर एग्जाम्पल कैलकाटा में ताज बंगाल, तो क्लाइंट बोलेगा अरे मैं ताज में क्यों रुकूं. आप बोल सकते हो सर इट हैज 284 rooms, they have 2 big swimming pools, they have 4 restaurants. Sir, one of the restaurant is Chinese restaurant, then the chef is from China, so you will get an authentic Chinese food, not an Indo Chinese food. And this is close to the main market, which is Dharamtala. It is only like such 7 minutes drive, and you just have to give 100 rupees to the taxi driver. He will drop you to the this market. So you
Okay,
have
sir.
to gradually not only name of the hotel. Okay, what is the USP of the hotel?
Very specific, yeah. They have to get very
Okay,
specific.
then after knowing the hotel name, this is not yet finished.
Mhm.
He has motivated. Okay, Bindu, you are very right. I will stay in Taj Hotel.
Mhm.
So what is the next process? You will give the rates to them, to the client,
Yes. Yes, sir.
so that he will select. But the client is very smart. He can open to the Google. He can go to Make My Trip, and he can go to many sites, and he will take the rates.
Yes, sir.
So he will book by himself. आपने क्या किया? बस इंफॉर्मेशन पास किया, उसको एडुकेट किया, आप बेच नहीं पाए प्रोडक्ट को। क्यों? क्योंकि आपके पास रेट नहीं है। अब रेट कौन देता है होटल का? एनी आइडिया?
नो आइडिया सर।
हर होटल की अलग अलग टीम्स होती है। सेल्स टीम जो है रेट देते हैं, ठीक है।
ओके सर।
अब सेल्स के अंदर पार्ट देखो, सेल्स के अंदर क्या होता है, देखो आप एक जैसे फिश बोन एनालिसिस सुना है आपने कभी? एक मछली के जो कांटा होता है ना, एक मेन बोन
हाँ
होता है, उससे बहुत सारे बोन्स निकलते हैं, राइट।
हाँ
हर
सर।
बोन की,
यस
हर बोन का एक इंपॉर्टेंस होता है। तो आप पहले होटल के बारे में जाना आपने, होटल का यूएसपी जाना, होटल का लोकेशन जाना आपने,
सर।
मेन अट्रैक्शन से होटल कितना दूर है ये जाना आपने। अब आपको रेट्स लेना है,
यस
तो सेल्स वालों से बात करोगे। अब होटल्स के अंदर सेल्स क्या होता है, उनकी अलग अलग टीम्स होती है। कॉर्पोरेट सेल्स, लेजर सेल्स, एम्बेसी सेल्स, ट्रैवल एजेंट सेल्स। तो ट्रैवल एजेंट के लिए सेल्स की अलग टीम होती है। तो यू हैव टू
यस सर।
फाइंड कि ट्रैवल एजेंसी का सेल्स कौन देखता है। फिर उसको बोलोगे कि सर आई एम कॉलिंग फ्रॉम सच एंड सच कंपनी, मेरा एक गेस्ट है, ही वांट्स टू चेक इन फ्रॉम दिस डेट टू दिस डेट, दे आर 4 मेंबर्स इन द फैमिली, तो आप मुझे क्या रेट दोगे? ठीक है, तो वो आपको XYZ रेट दे दिया, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 500 रुपीज का रेट दिया। आपने फटाफट उस टाइम पे क्या करना होता है, हमें ऑनलाइन चेक करना होता है कि 500 रुपीज का रेट हमारा अच्छा है या खराब है। हो सकता है ऑनलाइन में 300 रुपए का मिल रहा है, राइट।
यस सर।
तो आप क्लाइंट को क्या बेचोगे? तो आपको बोलना होता है सर क्या बात कर रहे हो, ऑनलाइन में तो 300 रुपए का रेट दे रहा है, आई एम कॉलिंग फ्रॉम ए ट्रैवल कंपनी, व्हाट इज माय बेनिफिट दैट आई एम मोटिवेटिंग माय गेस्ट टू स्टे इन योर होटल। तो वो क्या करेगा, 300 रुपए का जो रेट है वो आपको 200 रुपए का करेगा। उस 200 रुपए में आप 50 रुपए अपना प्रॉफिट रखोगे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का, 250 में क्लाइंट में बेचोगे। क्लाइंट ने क्या देखा, अरे मैं ऑनलाइन में बुक कर रहा था, मुझे 300 रुपए लग रहा था, अब ये ट्रैवल कंपनी जो है मुझे 250 रुपए का दे रही है, तो मैं इस ट्रैवल कंपनी के थ्रू जाऊंगा, राइट।
यस
क्लाइंट
सर।
तो तभी आएगा आपके पास जब आपके रेट्स अच्छे होंगे।
ओके सर।
तो आप लोगों को क्या करना है, पहले सिटी वाइज होटल्स के नाम जानने हैं, यूएसपी जानना है, ठीक है। ये करते करते आप लोगों को 6 महीना लग जाएगा। जब जैसे ही आप किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में ज्वाइन करते हो, उस टाइम पे आप अपने किसी सीनियर से पूछ सकते हो कि भैया हमारा कौन देखता है। अब हर होटल का क्या होता है ना, हर ट्रैवल एजेंसी के सेगमेंट्स होते हैं कि दिल्ली सेगमेंट तुम देखो का रेट्स तुम दोगे। अगर इफ आई एम ए ट्रैवल कंपनी फ्रॉम दिल्ली, इफ आई विल कॉल टू कैलकाटा कि आई एम कॉलिंग फ्रॉम दिल्ली फ्रॉम ए ट्रैवल कंपनी, गिव मी द रेट्स, तो ही विल टेल मी सर प्लीज टॉक टू दिल्ली सेल्स। तो हमारे वो सीनियर्स बता देते हैं कि आपको किनसे बात करनी है। तो एक तो ये गया होटल्स का, ठीक है।
यस सर।
अब समझ लो अ, एक फॉरेनर इंडिया आ रहा है, ही विल टेल कि मिस बिंदु आई वांट टू कम टू इंडिया and please suggest which are the places should I visit, and this is my first time I am visiting India, so which are the places you will suggest, and the guest has only 7 days in his hand, छुट्टी मनाने आ रहे हैं तो 7 दिन है उनके पास।
सर आई विल प्रिफर देम टू गो टू फर्स्ट दिल्ली, बिकॉज अगर वो फॉरेन से आ रहे हैं तो दिल्ली का मतलब कनेक्टिविटी अच्छा रहेगा।
वेरी
एंड
गुड,
आफ्टर दिल्ली, yes sir, and after Delhi I'll ask them to go to Rajasthan because वहाँ का कल्चर एंड हेरिटेज वो बहुत अच्छा है।
वेरी गुड,
देन
ठीक है।
सर और थोड़ा देखना पड़ेगा। जी सर।
नहीं देखो पता क्या है, मैं आपका गलतियां नहीं निकालूंगा,
जी
मैं
सर।
बस आप लोगों को ये दिखा रहा हूँ कि आप लोगों को करना क्या है। मेरे पेट में दर्द है, मैं डॉक्टर के पास गया, डॉक्टर साहब मेरे पेट में दर्द हो रहा है, दवाई दे दो। लेकिन डॉक्टर क्या पूछता है, कल रात को क्या खाया था, मॉर्निंग में क्या खाया था, आपकी फूड हैबिट्स क्या हैं, बाहर तो नहीं खाया था, घर पे क्या खाया था, ब्लड टेस्ट भी करता है। डॉक्टर से इतनी चीज क्यों करते हैं कि डॉक्टर ये चेक करेगा कि पेट दर्द क्यों हो रहा है, उसके रूट तक जाने के लिए अकॉर्डिंगली ही विल गिव मेडिसिन, राइट।
ओके
ये
सर।
नहीं कि पेट दर्द का हुआ कोई भी एक दवाई उठा के दे दिया। तो हम ट्रैवल एजेंट्स को, वी आर ऑल्सो ए डॉक्टर, राइट। अगर कोई आ रहा है 7 दिन के लिए, 10 दिन के लिए, वी हैव टू सजेस्ट देम फर्स्ट कम टू दिल्ली देन गो टू राजस्थान। ये आपने बोला बहुत अच्छा बोला, लेकिन आप लोगों को अंदर घुसना है राजस्थान में। व्हिच आर द प्लेसेस, हाउ यू फॉरगॉट अबाउट ताजमहल, दिस इज द
हाँ
7
सर वो तो
वंडर्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड।
यस सर।
Oh,
So in the
understood.
meantime, I think we have got another question that has been raised by Santashri. Can we take a question or
Yeah, please,
Yeah.
please.
So I think, yeah, Bindu, I think you can mute yourself, and thank you so much for your question. So I move on to
Thank you, sir.
Santashri's. Yeah. So we have the next question. She's asking that what are the strategies of the company is taking as a
Mhm.
part of the post-COVID travel measures to lure the clients to travel. So basically, she's been,
Okay.
yes, what are the strategies you want to take up to lure this clients during this
Okay.
period particularly?
Okay. Can I hear her? This question from herself.
I think, yeah, let me just
Mhm.
unmute her. Santashri, please unmute and you can ask the question directly. Santashri.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, am
Hi,
I
Santashri,
audible?
how are you?
You're
Yeah,
audible.
please,
Yeah,
please.
please.
Yes, good morning, sir. Good
Hi, good
morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Yeah.
My question to you is, sir, what are the strategies your company is taking as a part
Mhm.
of the post-COVID travel measures to lure the
Mhm.
clients to travel?
Mhm. So you're talking about these domestic clients or for the inbound clients? Like the inbound, even the foreigners
I'm
who are
talking
coming
about
to
domestic
domestic
tourism.
clients. Look, to be very honest, as per you, as per me, lockdown has opened, right?
Yes,
Why
sir.
it is opened? Do you know the answer? Why it is opened?
Yes, sir. To start the economy again.
Yes. And who will be benefited from this economy? Good, the government, because they will get the taxes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. People are very educated and smart these days. They know government is opened the lockdown because they need taxes. And we are only a figure. Like every day you in the newspaper, on the news, you will hear 20,000 people have found positive. 500 people have died. For them, they don't care who is that. I'm not talking about our government, every government, because they need money. People will not travel, to be very honest. People will not travel. And if you talk about the precautions, most of the hotels, uh, they had opened their hotel on 8th of June. So what they are doing, so I had given negativity. People will not travel. But people who are traveling, so all the hotels, all the travel companies, what they have did. Now I will tell you. For example, a hotel, they have 5 floors. They have opened only 1 floor or 2 floors. Okay. Before checking in, they are sanitizing the room. Once the guest checked in, and when the guest checked out, like I checked in yesterday, and today I am checking out. So after the checking out, they are doing again the sanitization, and for 3-4 days they are not giving the rooms to the other clients. Okay, so
Yes,
they are
sir.
not using the room. Second thing, if anybody is checking into the hotel, they must carry a medical certificate from a doctor that he is not infected or he is a healthy person. I I was also thinking that everything is locked down, has opened, the hotel has started their services, but I got a booking day before yesterday for one of my corporate. He is going to Pune. He is an IS officer, so he has to go to there for some official meeting. Hotel has confirmed me the booking, but after few minutes they had sent me an email that the guest must carry a COVID-19 medical certificate, and then only we will allow him to check into the hotel. Okay, so guest has to carry the letter first, and the second thing which I had told you, the hotel is sanitizing before check-in and after checkout. Before check-in to the hotel, also there are lots of things. They are taking the temperature of the guest. They are checking the travel history, that in last few months, you if you have traveled to other countries or not. And for the vehicles, the cars which you are using, the drivers are checked every day in the morning, the body temperatures. The vehicles are well sanitized in the morning with Virex 256 chemical. This is the chemical which was approved from the WHO. So by this chemical, we are sanitizing the vehicles, and all of my vendors, like we have vendors in all the cities. Like we are not that big company that we own our own vehicles in Bhubaneswar, in Calcutta, in Bombay, in Bangalore, in Hyderabad. So we are giving instructions to all of our vendors to use this chemical before and after the clients enters into the car. So these are the small precautions people are taking. But to be very honest, things will be maybe normal after September. Nobody will travel before September, because if I will tell you, Santasri, you have like 60 days holidays. Okay, like you are not going to the institute and everything. With your family, you go to Vaishno Devi or you go to such place. Your parents will say, नहीं ट्रेन में कुछ हो सकता है, दूसरे लोग बैठ सकते हैं, वहां पर लोग infected हो सकते हैं. So people they have a fear inside. And travel is a luxury thing. सबसे बाद में लोग ये सोचेंगे. अभी लोगों की जॉब्स गई है, मार्केट स्टैग्नेंट नहीं है, बिजनेस नहीं है, people are getting half of the salaries. So people अभी अपने लाइवलीहुड को बचाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. एंड ट्रैवल इज अ लग्जरी थिंग. पहले लाइवलीहुड बचेगी, नीड्स बचेंगी, फिर ट्रैवलिंग. I hope I clear your doubt, or if you want to ask anything.
Yeah, I think that's cleared. I think we have exhausted with the questions. Students have not messaged me anything. So now I would take this. I think that's done. So we'll now wind up this session. So with the thank you vote. So I would just. You want to say something more? You want somebody is raising.
What I want to say, apart from the hotels,
Okay.
yeah, apart from the hotels, what I used to say, in the cities, try to make a note down of the name of the monuments.
Okay.
What time the monument is opening time, closing time, what is the entrance fee for the Indians, what is the entrance fee for the foreigners.
Okay.
And try to make itineraries. Go to the travel websites of different companies, read their itineraries. If you can go to www.vtvacations.com, you can find few itineraries which you had posted. So utilize this time. I do understand everybody has a different hobby, singing, cooking, listening.
Yeah.
1 hour or 2 hours on daily basis to improve your.
Could be any kind of training, could be certificates, which can help you in future. So these things were really helpful for us. And on behalf of ITTM, Dr. Adesha Das, I would thank you so much for being with us and motivating our students. Of course, your presentations was very valid, and maybe the students must have understood like what it is to be in a tourism institute and how to be an entrepreneur, your challenges that you face. So that was really stimulating. So with this, I would thank you and thank all the participants of the day, and hope we see you soon again for such sessions. Okay, I think.